How to transfer your notes to Google Docs on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your notes to Google Docs on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings. Here you will find this one, transfer a copy of your information, and click Google Docs. And click next, not Google Docs, and then click Google Docs. And here you will find posts, click none, and next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.